Let's talk about transactional emails. Now, we have an email provider built into Radian that I'd like to show you. And this just helps you test things like email verification, OTP sign up, password change. And actually, maybe in this lesson, we should implement a way for a user to change a password. Let's take a look. So let me click across to the back end and then head down to auth. Okay. And we've got some various settings here require email verification for one. So that means when a user signs up, they're going to get an email sent to them. Now, this is going to be coming from the Radian domain unless you set your own sending domain. And to set your own sending domain, that is done from the settings area, email down here. Okay, so this is emails such as password resets, email verification, or OTP sign in. Once you add your email address, you'll get an email from us just to click a link and verify that that address exists and that you own it. Okay? And then you have your own branded emails coming from your domain. Let's go back to the back end, back to auth. We also have a minimum password length here. Feel free to set this whatever you like, and post login redirect page. Now this is dynamic for us, okay? Some will go to the dashboard for students, and admins will go to their own admin dashboard. So I'm going to leave that as is, but you can select any page here that you'd like to redirect after sign up. We also have Google OAuth, allowing your customers to log in with their own Gmail accounts. I love this option. It does take a bit of configuration in Google itself, and I have some great documentation that you can follow. So make sure to check that out if you'd like to set this up. Let's go to the email tab because here are some just default emails that we've created. Now these will send from the Radian if someone tries to verify the email. If you've toggled that to on over here, then this email is going to be sent, okay? And these are the variables: a person's name, verification URL, and a user's email address. Let's do one for password reset to actually visualize what this feels like for a user. So here is the subject line, reset your password. So I could say reset your Compass password. I'm just going to save changes on reset password. And if I come across to code view, I'm just going to add the Compass team, save changes. Okay, we are in the process of updating this. I know it doesn't look the best right now. Okay, just a plain text email. So let's go back to the canvas and let's create a chat for this. We need to enable a user to reset their password from the auth page. That's all I'm going to say. Great, let's go and take a look. And I need to sign out, of course. So where is it added it? Sign in, sign up. All right, I'm going to take a screenshot here to add to context as I don't currently see it. So I always start off with see evidence attached, just so the agent understands the current context of the UI. If I just pasted a screenshot, the agent might think this is what I want it to look like, or this is what it should look like, okay? So see evidence attached. There is no reset password link. And I'm just going to make sure that it is on the auth page. Okay, great. So it says possibly a refresh is needed, which is unusual. Let's take a look. Okay, yeah, that was the case. All right, let's click on forgot password. Looks good. All right, let's say, obviously, if I'm not using Google, I can just, highlight this and delete it. But let's say Greg plus Amanda at radian.dev. Send reset code because I've forgotten my password. That is Greg plus. Oh, cool. Okay, let's check out the email. So we can see that it came from no reply at apps.radian.dev. If you set your own email sending domain in settings, this will come from your domain. So your password reset verification is, all right, let me try this. Copy. Okay, that's your OTP, reset password. So okay, let's sign in with the new email. Fantastic. And I'm back signed in as Amanda Evans. All right, guys, so that's it. Make sure to set your own sending domain so it comes from your email. I noticed a bit of cleanup was possibly needed with that process, but for now, it is up and running.